single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
What's good, everyone? What's good? How are y'all doing? So I asked you guys on my Instagram. By the way, if you don't follow me, go ahead and follow me. The link will be down in the description box below. Anywho, I asked you guys on my Instagram, what colors did you guys want to see in a cut crease? The first time I asked you guys, they were all tied. So I asked you guys again, and you guys voted for greens and blues. So I came across this look right here. And I was like, why not recreate it, you know? Why not? So that's what I did. I changed maybe like three things about it. Right here on the pink, you guys will see in the video, I added some glitter on top of the pink, and then right here on the glitter line that they used white or silver, I used gold, and on my bottom lashes I made them purple, which you guys will see in the video as well. I really hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. I had fun making it for you guys. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, turn your bell button notification little thing on if you haven't, because there will be more amazing looks coming, okay? And I really hope you guys enjoy the tutorial, for real. Let's just jump right into it. Alright, first off, I'm gonna start off with oh my god, I'm so sorry. I did not notice this was not recording. Oh my god. Well, anyways, I don't know what it recorded and what not right now. But this is what I have so far. All I did was I grabbed this brush and I grabbed this pink right here in the palette, this palette. And I did it as my transition shade. I exaggerated it. I went all the way up to my eyebrow and smoked it out. And then I packed it on probably like, I did like 3 times. And then I used this brush right here to add the blue. I only added the blue right here, right above the inner corner, all the way to like halfway of the lid. And I used it kind of like a transition shade as well, just in that area. And then I'm smoking it out right now. So let's continue.